So my boot's gonna be on Channel 4 News. All right, go ahead. Kids' toys all soaked.
You are witnesses. Peter took that, knowing we've come from a society where we used to sit on the front porch and wave at everybody as they went by, and now we pull in the garage, shut the... You want to know God's working? Come driving down that road. Cars driving down the road we just seen flooded yesterday. Man, now I'm talking about a receding that's fast. Thank God He opened it up for people to bless the very day He needs blessed the most. What's going on in our world today? We've got this self-attitude. We've got this, we can't. It's out of our hands. As a Christian, all of our hope lies in the resurrection of Christ and in the belief that we too will be resurrected. And just as Pacific pitched in and did the things that they did and the water came up, sure, there's probably going to be a scar or two, but it's gone. It's been resurrected, it's back to life. It's not going to shut it down forever.
Because He lives, all fear is gone. Oh, He holds the future.
I think everybody's willing to work together. They're showing good support, and hopefully more people will be accepting of God and that He's there for them, and not to say that this is His fault.
Your love.